Buongiorno, and wherever you are, welcome to Mazzer in Venice, our home. I'm currently where everything begins, the beating heart of our company, this truly amazing workshop. Today, it is my honor and privilege to celebrate the 50th of the SuperJolly history, the iconic coffee grinder, 100% made in Italy, which has become the preferred grinder for many baristas around the world. With the launch of the all-new SuperJolly V Pro, Mazzer reaches a new milestone. So, thanks for being with us today.
Hi all, this is Silvia. I'm here with Mirko, the SuperJolly V Pro project manager, to introduce you the new SuperJolly electronic version. The team has worked a lot to leverage the iconic and impeccable look of the SuperJolly and bring it to the new era to have it with more sleek design, with more modern shapes and dynamic look. Anyone that is starting a business can find in SuperJolly V Pro a reliable friend, as it is simpler and beginner's proof. Why are we calling it SuperJolly V Pro? Because we are introducing on the SuperJolly the technologies and innovative features that we added on the top of the range.
At first look, the main features of SuperJolly V Pro are immediately visible. The grinding adjustment disc with memory track system, the support for adjustment disc to simplify cleaning operation, a high resolution display, the same of Measure V and Robur S models, with IoT optional functionalities, the dedicated GFC system, grind flow control system, and fully adjustment portafilter support.
SuperJolly V Pro performs the best with low to medium grinding volumes, but we've worked a lot to improve the grinding speed of the grinder.
The new set of bars of SuperJolly V Pro and is specifically designed to allow a 20% increase in productivity, maintaining the same quality in particle size distribution of the coffee.
To keep the grinder as simple as possible, we've conceived a specific design system to control dynamically the flow of the coffee under any condition.
There is only one damper able to fit all coffee types. It's very easy to clean by the GFC extraction mechanism that allows to extract the GFC with a few gestures.
This specific GFC is capable of keeping the doses extremely consistent. Most of the shots are within plus minus 0.3 grams.
It is specifically designed to remove the electrostaticity and to remove clumping appearance on ground coffee.
Also for the SuperJolly V Pro, we wanted to keep the same logic for the adjustment of the coarseness as we have it on the top of the range.
By using of these screws, it is possible to set the 0 point at the bar's contact. In this way, all SuperJolly V Pro can be set at the same number to obtain the same coffee coarseness.
This feature also is useful after the replacement of the burrs, when you have to find the espresso regulation again, because it reduces the waste. Mazzer is keen on helping baristas to keep stable, high qualitative standards of the espresso offered in the coffee shop, and this requires frequent cleaning of the grinding chamber of the grinders.
All grinding chamber is fully accessible for an easy cleaning. The portafilter holder is fully adjustable to fit to housing all portafilter types with 2 adjustable wings.
Flexibility of the portafilter holder gives the chance to the barista to position the filter perfectly horizontal to the coffee flow and therefore randomize the particles in the puck. This means reducing or eliminating the channeling effect.
SuperJolly V Pro has an efficient cooling system. It activates for 3 minutes after each dose.
The SuperJolly V Pro is built by 40% of renewable energy and is composed by 93% in weight of rich recyclable materials such as aluminum, brass or stainless steel. The SuperJolly V Pro utilizes the electronics at the top of the range. It features 3 doses, each of them programmable by cents of seconds, and for each dose the user can program a pause that can be used to stop the dose during grinding and allow the pre-tap. A countdown can be set on the electronics to bind the coffee shop to a specific coffee supplier or to track the stocks of coffee that are in the shop. The grinder can save the data of the working flow of the coffee shop, and this data can be visualized both on the screen of the grinder and on the Mazzer app for the IoT embedded functionality that is optional on this grinder.
A few more details for SuperJolly V Pro are a captive screw for combine safety for the user and useful for the grinder, and a cover lid that are equipped with a tag holder for the name of the coffee and with a gasket to keep stable the properties of the coffee beans.
The SuperJolly V Pro is available in 3 versions: electronic, automatic and timer. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this presentation of the SuperJolly V Pro. You can already place your orders for the grinder as it's into production now. Hope to see you all soon in person and keep in touch.
Ciao!
Ciao!